Hey, how you doing? It's Jonathan here, and today I wanted to share with you a great opportunity that will allow you to earn anywhere from $50 to $300 in instant commissions. These are paid by PayPal and Cash App or any way that you choose. Now, what's very important about something like this is you're going to see this page below this video in the description. What's very important about it is that you need an opportunity that actually allows you to actually generate an income to be able to fund your primary business. So, because you need that upfront, capital. And a lot of times people don't have the capital to start a business. They're not, they don't have the skill sets. They don't know how to market themselves or anything like that. So, this system that I'm sharing with you, it's going to allow you to actually learn how to market yourself in a way to brand yourself so that you're the authority, and you start using attraction marketing, which means you get people to come to you rather than you going out, looking for other people. And we use methods like Facebook and free methods as well, such as YouTube. Like I'm doing a video and content that actually helps to be able to generate people who have an interest in your opportunity. So this will allow you to earn up to $300 per day. What does that mean for you? That means that you're going to generate over $100,000 per year, generating $300 per day. So here with this opportunity, I want to show you some proof. I just got into this opportunity. That's me. That's my picture right there. I went all in. Here's another in a proof group. They generated over $20,000 with this system, and it's very, very cool. Here's another one, $350 per day, and it's pretty consistent. There's another one, and it just keeps going on and on. There's another one right there. So, you have the ability to earn multiple, $300 days with this system, which is very, very amazing, because you need that upfront, cash flow. And we use a page like this to be able to market the opportunity, right? Because this is your marketing system. This is where your people are going to come into to learn more information about the opportunity, right? So if you're trying to actually build a business of any kind, you need to be able to generate leads and be able to follow up with your contacts, right? So when you get a lead, when they put their email in, you want to be able to follow up with them, which is very, very important. So, if you're interested in learning more about this opportunity, make sure you put your email in the link below. It's going to take you to a page and let you know a lot about the system. And we have special bonuses, 3 special bonuses that are going to be very amazing, because I have a private Facebook group which I teach and train. You're going to get access to that. You're also, going to get access to a marketing system like the one you're looking at right now, to be able to, capture your leads and build up a list, which people don't have a list. And then you're also going to get access to my top traffic sources as a bonus for joining at the $300 level. So, make sure you click on the link below. It'll take you to a page that looks like this. You just want to put in your information, and then you'll be in contact with me as soon as you do that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Alright, I'll talk to you soon, and have a great day.